you get a call from the RV storage unit that there's a sense of some gas coming from your RV, that's not a good sign. Just got a call from my RV storage unit and said they smelled some propane leak near my vehicle, so I'm going to check it out. Hopefully it's nothing major, but we'll see. I really haven't had too many issues with the propane tank. I added a Mopica sensor just a while back, and that seemed to be working well, but you know, when I put in some propane last time, there was a little bit of a smell, but that was just right after I had put it in, so it didn't. Usually that goes away after, you know, a couple of minutes or so. So this is a little concerning for me, and hopefully it's nothing major, but we'll see.
Liquid I don't think is propane because it would dissipate in the air, but it's something that's going on there.
Okay, so there does seem to be an issue with the propane. It is completely empty. Both of my gauges say it's empty, so we're gonna move it outside here and store it outside, back outside for a while. I'm gonna have to call around and see if I can get this bad boy fixed. Okay, that does not look good. That's just propane coming right out. Okay, this is not good. Again, the propane tank is all empty. I've got to call around and see if I can get somebody to look at this, hopefully before the next time I am scheduled to take this out. So just a quick update for you. I am trying to get estimates to fix my propane tank. I've been online trying a couple of different places. I'm supposed to get some estimates today. One RV place said they think they might have to replace the whole tank. So we'll see what happens, but I got to get that propane fixed because it's dangerous, and so far it hasn't, you know, affected me in the RV when I've been out a couple of times, but moving forward, this is a pretty serious thing, and I have to get this fixed. I am on my way to my RV storage unit because we are having major problems with the propane in my RV right now. So one of the first things I did the very next day is go online, look around, try to find somebody who could deal with this RV sooner rather than later. You know, I have a trip coming up in a little while. I want to make sure that the propane and the RV are safe, and so I looked a long time trying to find someplace who could get me in this week. So I just picked up the RV and I am heading north to Linwood, to Via RV Parts and Services. They said that they could take a look at the RV and get it fixed today. It's going to be a couple of hours, but this is totally worth it to be able to get in the same week and have it looked at. So hopefully things will go easy and maybe even save a little money off of the estimate.
Turn right, then the destination is on your right.
Here at Via RV Parts and Services. I'm a little early, and that's okay. As my dad always said to me growing up, if you're on time, you're late. So we're just going to wait a little bit here, and then we're going to check in, drop off the RV, and hopefully get this thing taken care of. I did check the Mopica sensor on my Bluetooth. It looks okay, obviously out of propane. But I'm going to take it off of the RV just to make sure it doesn't get knocked around while they're working on it. I always love getting to a place a little early and check out some of the rigs that they're working on. The nice part about what I see right now is that there are a couple of Class Bs, a couple of Pro Masters, so this could turn out to be really good, hopefully. So the folks running it, actually the guy I checked in with, his name is also David, really nice guy. They're hoping it's just going to be the regulator, so we'll see how that goes. I like the spot, may come back and work with these guys again. Again, a lot of Class Bs that they have experience on, so hopefully this will be an in and out kind of a situation, not to be confused with the burger chain and a double-double, animal style. Well, I knew it was going to be too good to be true. Initially, the folks at Via RV said that they could do it in about 3.5 hours, assuming everything was basically okay. There's a leak there, so they're gonna have to fix that and replace it. They're gonna have to hold on to the RV for another 2.5 days because they don't work on Sundays. Get it work done on Mondays, and then Tuesday I'll be able to pick it up. So that's where we're at for right now. Till then, just go home and wait. So it's the end of the day on Monday. Still have not heard back from the RV folks. Hopefully I will hear back from them maybe in the next 20 minutes or so, or at least by tomorrow when they said I could pick up the RV. That's where I'm at right now. So just got a text from the RV place. They just got the part in today. Sounded like right about now. And they are going to install it tomorrow and then give me an update in the afternoon. So that's where I'm at right now. So, the RV is fixed. It was a lot cheaper than I had expected, $492 to get it fixed. I did have to take an Uber from downtown to get here before they closed. But now I have my propane fixed just in time before I take it out this weekend, and so I'm excited for that. Now I need to get back to Seattle, park it in storage, and wrap this up. I will check the propane tank here and make sure it's reading well, and then later I'll put the Mopica system back on. They filled up the tank, so it is full, and it's looking good. Let's go home. You know, it took an extra day or so to get this fixed, but it was certainly a lot cheaper than some of the other places that had given me tentative quotes. I like these guys, Via RV in Linwood. They do a lot of things, including lithium batteries. So at some point, if I choose to go there, I may come back to them. But they were a pleasure to deal with. Bella and David, the owner, kudos to them. I'll put a link to their shop underneath. But right now, I just want to drop this off because I had to finish up work, which is in First Hill. This may not make any sense to anybody, but which is in First Hill. Had to go all the way to Ballard, drop off my car, take an Uber from Ballard to Linwood, and make it here before 5:30 when they closed, and I was able to do it. Shout out to my Uber driver who did a really good job at getting me here on time. And so it's been kind of a long, hectic day, but now it's over for the most part. Just got to drop off everything. So I am back at the RV storage unit. Glad I was able to get the propane fixed because you don't want to mess around with propane at all, and you want to make sure that you're safe when you're out there RVing. So glad this is now over. Looking forward to the next adventure. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the website at RVJedeye.com. Make sure you get out there, take care of your unit, do whatever you need to make sure you are safe and sound in your RV. And then you get to just go out and enjoy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.